Hello, I get requests from few customers if I can make for them cover for RTK Model 2 to protect from sun, rain, and birds. Finally, I got in hand one example of RTK2 to make cover for you. It is easy to fit with a gentle press. It just snaps on. Align one of the notch with the black circle so you get empty space in the front of the lead. I don't know about green LED how it works on RTK2, but if you want to reduce green shining, here is also LED shade. Also, here fit spikes from RTK1 model. You can use double-sided tape or just super glue to secure spikes on top. It is not hard to take cover of. Just start from one notch and start pulling at each notch at the time. If you are interested in 3D file or finished part, please read description below video. Also, if you want to support me, please follow and share to help me get over the line of 1,000 followers. See you again soon. Cheers.